How to delete a contact from Gmail. Gmail is one of the most widely used email services in the world, with over 1.8 billion active users. As you use your Gmail account to communicate with your friends, colleagues, and business partners, your contact list may grow in size. While having a large contact list is convenient, it can also be overwhelming if you have contacts that you no longer need or want. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to delete a contact from Gmail on a PC or MacBook, iPhone, and Android device. Check the timestamp on the description to get where you need faster. How to delete a contact from Gmail on iPhone. There are multiple ways to delete contacts from Gmail on your iPhone. If you want to delete multiple contacts, I suggest seeing the part of the video for the PC. You can do the same on an iPhone in a browser like Safari or Chrome. The easiest way to delete a contact from Gmail on iPhone is to use the Contacts app. When you add a Gmail account on your device, it will automatically sync also the contacts from Google. So let's tap on the Contacts app. Here, tap on the lists from the top left. Now on the bottom, you should see a section called Gmail. Tap on All Gmail. You should see now the contacts. Tap on any contact you want to delete. Tap on the Edit button from the top right. Now go to the bottom. You will see a button called Delete Contact. Tap it. Now confirm the action by tapping again Delete Contact. You have deleted a contact from Gmail on your iPhone. How to delete a contact from Gmail on Android. Like in the iPhone case, you have multiple ways to delete the contacts from Gmail on Android. The easiest way to do this is by using the Google Contacts app. The app should look something like this. If you do not have it and you have some custom app added by the manufacturer of the phone, you can install it. Go to Play Store and look for Google Contacts and install it. Now let's tap on the Google Contacts app. You will see all the contacts on this app. Now you can keep your finger on one contact and a selection process will start. Then you can just tap on the contact you want to delete. After you selected all contacts, just tap on the trash button from the top. Your contacts have been deleted. If you want also to check every contact before you delete it, you can do that as well. Tap on a contact. On the contact details page, tap on the three dots menu. On the menu that appears, tap on Delete. Confirm the action by tapping Move to Trash. If you deleted a contact by mistake, do not worry. You can enter the trash and restore it. Also, you can enter into the trash and empty all of the contacts. If you click on Empty Trash, then all contacts added here will be permanently lost. This is how you can delete a contact from Gmail on Android. How to delete a contact from Gmail on PC or MacBook. The first step in deleting a contact from Gmail on your PC is to access your Gmail contacts. We will use a MacBook Pro for this video, but the process is the same with any browser. Open the browser. On the address bar, write contacts.google.com. Log in with your account if you are not logged in. Here are the contacts of your Gmail account. Once you have accessed your Gmail contacts, you need to find the contact that you want to delete. You can use the search bar at the top of the screen to search for the contact by name or email address. Alternatively, you can scroll through your list of contacts until you find the one you want to delete. When you have located the contact you want to delete, go with the mouse over that contact. Click on their name to select them. This will highlight the contact and reveal several options for that contact. You can select multiple contacts. To delete the contact, click on the three vertical dots icon on the right side of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu of options for the selected contact. From this menu, select Delete to permanently delete the contact from your Gmail contacts. Once you have clicked Delete, Gmail will ask you to confirm that you want to delete the contact. If you are sure that you want to delete the contact, click Move to Trash again to confirm. If you change your mind, you can click Cancel to keep the contact in your Gmail contacts. You have now deleted contacts from Gmail on a PC or MacBook. Also, you can delete a contact from the details page of that contact. Click on a contact. On the contact details page, tap on the three dots menu. On the menu that appears, tap on Delete. Confirm the action by tapping Move to Trash. This is how you delete a contact on your PC. In conclusion, deleting a contact from Gmail is a simple process that can be done in just a few easy steps. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily clean up your Gmail contacts and ensure that you only have the contacts you need and want. Thank you for watching this. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.